We are pleased to show you the 2016 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, sync, leather shift knob, overhead console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.